Okay, now when you see Uncle, I'll wear a hat because I'm in disguise. And this isn't a short one, this is a tip. A lot of you preppers don't know what the hell you're doing. That's why Uncle Alan's an old time survivalist. One, Wayne, the Ungrateful Peasant, or Wayne G, did a great video on space and convenience. Now, Uncle Alan's been at this game for over 40 years or more, or 30 years. Can't remember. But the big thing is don't put all your preps in one spot. You know, if you have it at the house and the house burns down, you're screwed. So what you do is you look around where I'm located at. I pick my positions very carefully. I got a gas station, a couple of fast food shops that I like, and a grocery store that I could walk to. And in that area, I also have a hardware store and a storage unit. One thing I really hate and I don't want in my area is a liquor store. The gas station's fine because that's only soft beer stuff. But a hard liquor store or an independent liquor store, nah, I don't want that when I'm buying property. So Inspired John, if you watched his video, was talking about the three assets and your inventory or and stuff. It's a lot of things I could tell you, but it's my secrets, and I'm not going to tell you. This is the only tip I'm going to tell you. Since I planned out my area very carefully, and I still have open spaces so I could open fire full. And I live in a nice, quiet suburb surrounded by a lot of retirees, ex-military, ex-cops. So I don't have to worry about it. And I got a golf course nearby. So I figure all these factors in. Okay? And there's available properties that I can buy and invest and make more money. You won't because you have no idea what you're doing in your 20s, 30s, 40s. I'm 60 years old. I made fortunes and I lost fortunes. You don't. Now, on space and convenience, you're running out of space in your home. Uncle Alan has a wholesaler's license. It's not mine, it's my nephew's. I carry a copy, so if I need to make purchases, I do. And I have several places where I can pick it up wholesale, like Smart Foods, and I'll take it to my storage unit. Again, using the wholesaler's license, I can rent it out at a wholesaler's rate. And this one's indoor, very comfortably, air conditioned. Walk in, it's like a small room, and it's for document use. But I use it for food storage. Why? Because my area, we get heat up to 106. Freezing, we're not that bad, but heat does. Heat kills food. Okay? Freezing, if you like Camp Patton family compound where everything freezes solid at 20 below, our freeze level is about maybe 29 to 30. So I don't have to worry about that. So outdoor storage units, nah, I don't go for that. I could do other things. I could do it at my nephew's farm, but that's too far away. The self-storage is walking distance. I could walk there with my cane and my little wire-wheeled basket, and they think, oh, it's old Mr. Uncle Al, and he's getting books from his locker. Oh, yes. Well, show him a few books, sell a few books. Underneath that small pile of books is my food stuff. So I'll just bring it back smiling, like, oh, it's crazy old Uncle Al. And everybody laughs, and they don't realize that every spy survival movie, every disaster movie has some old crazy old guy smiling until he opens up his locker and you see all the machine guns, ammo, and foodstuffs in there. And you're like, okay, again, this is Double Cats. This is Inspired John. Practice Prepper. Okay, here's Uncle Al. All right, because I know what I'm doing. I have a storage unit. And with all the deals and wheeling and dealing I do, it's $65 a month. So I pay it for 1 year. I don't do monthly, I do by year. And I talk to them. If I get a good deal like 5 to 10 years, not a problem. They'll reduce the price even more. So think about it. You know, your crazy old uncle all of a sudden pulls out a machine gun and gets rid of your noisy friends for the last time. You think about it, Uncle Al. What's in your storage unit? Oh, just books. You know, I read a lot, so I put my extra books in there. And they open up like, oh my God, there's a tank. So think about it. All right. If you know what you're doing and wheeling and dealing, and you don't tell anybody, that's tip of the day, little storage unit. And if you don't believe me, go check out Jericho first season. Okay, have a nice day.